students. Students, today we start our supplementary reader in English for class 10, Footprints Without Feet. Here students, today we start this book. Our first chapter from our supplementary reader is A Trump of Surgery by James Herriot. Students, this is the story of a Tricky, a small dog, and is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Now he falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinarian surgeon. Does he perform an operation or does the dog recover? There are two questions which come in this story. While reading we find the answers. That does the doctor perform an operation on Tricky and does the dog recover? The story narrates the episode where the narrator, Dr. James Herriot, a veterinarian surgeon, saves the life of a dull dog, Tricky. The dog is overfed by her wealthy owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, and thus is hospitalized under the care of the surgeon. Now the surgeon cures him without any surgery or medicine. Now the characters of that stories are James Herriot. James is a veterinarian surgeon who proves to be a capable doctor and a wise individual. He is an animal lover and a caring guardian. Mrs. Pumphrey is a wealthy single woman. She is very much attached to her dog Tricky. She is very loving but weak at heart. And the third character of that story is Tricky. Tricky is a lazy and fat dog who loves food. He is very fond of his owner. He turns out to be energetic and lively after recovering from his illness. So students, this is the story of a dog. एक डॉग है जिसका नाम है ट्रिकी, उसकी स्टोरी है और इस चैप्टर में 3 कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जेम्स हैरियट, मिसेस पम्फ्रे एंड ट्रिकी. सो द समरी ऑफ दैट स्टोरी इज द स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स विथ लाइक ट्रिकी लुक्स इल. When Dr. James was driving, he saw Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky walking down the street. As he stopped his car, he was shocked to see the Tricky had become fat, like a sausage. His eyes were red and his tongue was hanging out. It looked like Tricky lacked energy and was ill. Dr. James inquired about Tricky's health from Mrs. Pumphrey. Here you see in this picture, Mrs. Pumphrey explained to Dr. James that Tricky was looking listless, means dull and weak. She felt that he was suffering from malnutrition. So she had been giving him some extra food like malt, cod liver oil and Horlicks between his main meals. Further, Dr. James asked Mrs. Pumphrey whether she had cut down the sweet things from Tricky's diet. Mrs. Pumphrey replied that she had tried but failed as Tricky loves cream cakes and chocolates. She also told to Dr. James that Tricky only walks with her friend and does not play games like ring throwing which he played earlier. Now after knowing about Tricky's condition and his routine, Dr. James informed Mrs. Pumphrey that if she did not reduce his food and increase his exercise, her dog would fall ill. He also advised her to strictly follow the prescribed diet. Mrs. Pumphrey confessed that it would be very difficult for her, but she agreed to try and walked off with Tricky. Now after a few days, Mrs. Pumphrey called and informed Dr. James about Tricky's health. She told him that Tricky was not eating anything and had been vomiting. She further informed him that her dog spent all his time laying on a rug and did not do anything. Dr. James knew that the only way to cure Tricky was to get him out of the house for some time. He suggested Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize him for a fortnight for observation so that the proper treatment can follow. Now, Dr. James' suggestions broke Mrs. Pumphrey's heart, but she allowed him to take Tricky along with him to his surgery. Dr. James carried Tricky wrapped in a blanket to his car. The maids started to put together things that Tricky would need during hospitalization. These include his beds, day and night, cushions, toys, bowls, etc. Now Dr. James started to drive off as he knew that his car could not carry so many things. He noticed in the mirror that everybody was in tears. Students, we continue this story in next video. So you have to read this and try to understood and find the answer while reading the story.